Welcome to our product selection videos, where we help you find the right tool for the job. This video is about our dustpan selection. Remco and Viken's range of dustpans will cover your needs for waste removal. They are all hygienically designed without any seams or cracks, making them easier to clean and limiting harborage points for microorganisms and allergens. This is the standard Viken dustpan. It is ergonomically designed and ideal for food industry use to collect food debris and dust from floors and work surfaces. It works well with several of Viken's hand brushes. Next is the Viken upright dustpan. This dustpan's handle is ergonomically friendly and has a clip that can attach to a broom handle. The contact lip is designed for easy and efficient sweeping into the dustpan. The outer front surface has a raised area to prevent debris from falling out of the dustpan, and the enlarged rear and side walls enable the dustpan to hold larger volumes of debris. Last but not least is the Remco Lobby dustpan set. The closable dustpan set includes the dustpan, broom, and both handles. It is easy to empty by locking the lid into place just by pressing the handle backward. Unlock it by pulling forward. The dustpan has no hard edges or molding lines that could trap food residue or bacteria. It can be easily disassembled and reassembled for regular washing and sanitizing. The large 7-inch by 14-inch bin allows for big and small cleanup jobs, while the tall 37-inch handle alleviates back pain that stems from leaning over shorter dustpans. Thanks for watching our overview of Remco and Viken dustpans. And as always, if you have additional product questions, please visit our websites remcoproducts.com or viken.com, or contact our customer service team